Hello friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In the previous video we talked about how to copy rows from collection. Now in this video we'll talk about how to count columns. This is also one action of collection object. Now let me show you how to do that. We need to take here one action stage, double click on that and write here count columns. Now select the business object collections, that is internal business object, and select here count columns. Now in the input we need to pass that collection name. So if we need to count the columns from this collection, then we need to pass this master collection name. So now you can see we are getting error because it is just accepting only text. So just pass like this in the double quotation. Now in the output, so as you know that if you want to count the columns, so that count will be stored in another data item that will be type of number. So here we can write columns count and store in a data item. Now click OK and you can see here this is the data item that is created. So once we'll execute this process, we'll get our count in this columns count data item. Link this stage with the start and the stage. Now reset this and you see here we are getting two columns. Now you can see here we have 10 rows, so that is rows. Column is different. If we'll double click on this master collection, and now you can see here these two fields are columns here in the Blue Prism. In the collection we say as a fields, and that is column. So we have two columns, serial number and name. So by using count columns we can count our columns. Currently might be you are not able to think about that, but once you will start working on your project, then there will be some scenario where you need to first count the columns available in your collection, and then based on that you need to add one more column in your collection, and then you will write that collection to somewhere. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks.